My channel, my name is Pete, they call me Scooby. Today we're going to be installing my new windshield from Clearview Shields. This here is the dark gray, and the size, the height is a medium. It says, I talked to a Tanya, because I asked her about if it'll fit on the Advanblack ST Fairing, and she had mentioned to use their hardware because they use a metric bolt versus the Harley Davidson uses a standard bolt. So I believe it does come with some hardware, but she did inform me to use the Advanblack's hardware. So we're gonna get this installed. I'm not gonna remove the protective film just in case I don't like it and I want to return it, but I don't think I'm gonna have an issue. So So we're also going to talk about how to measure your windshield for your bike. So let's do that first. All right, first we're going to talk about measuring for the proper height windshield that you need from Clearview. This is the way that they want you to measure your bike. Are you ready? You're going to get yourself a tape measure or something with a ruler on it. It can be anything. What you're going to do is you're going to take your measurement from the top of your vent to the top of your window. That's the height that they go by. Now this is Advanblack, and it states that it comes with a 10-inch windshield, but according to Clearview Shields, this is an 8.5-inch windshield.
I interrupt this video for a special announcement. Request: hit that like button, will you?
So in order for me to get my proper height, I'm gonna sit down and measure up, and I want my windshield to sit right below my eyesight. So I'm looking at 11.5, 12 inches for my size windshield. So I ended up getting the medium windshield, which has a height of 12.5 inches from that the top of the windshield up. So you want to make sure that you go and pick the best windshield that you think is going to be best for you. So this one is still going to be right at my chin level from what I can tell. I'm slightly slouching forward so I can do this alone. If you have an extra person, it'll be better to do this. So I got the medium, which sits at 12.5. So now I'm going to pull out the old windshield and put them side by side so you can see the difference. That's a big difference, guys. Let me show you. So this is the stock Advanblack that says it comes with a 10-inch windshield. This is the medium, which is like a 12.5. Let's put them in front of each other so you can see the difference. Vent to vent. See the difference? We got about, I'd say, 4 inches more. Trying to do this all in one hand, it's kind of hard. Yeah, we got about 4 inches more of a windshield. And again, I'm going for functionality versus looks. Because to me, this Advanblack windshield absolutely looks great. So, according to Tanya, she told me to reuse these bolts that come with Advanblack, but I'm going to open up that hardware package because I think they have their own grommets. So if they have their own grommets, I'm going to use their grommets with Advanblack's bolts. Clearview Shields allows you, sorry about the glare, this shed is going away by the way. Clearview Shields allows you to test fit their windshield. In case you don't like it, you can return it. For as long as you don't peel the safety film off of it. I peeled a little bit back just so I can get a better view of the windshield. This is the dark gray and it kind of looks like it's the same as that one there. So have their own hardware, their own washers, their own spacers. Ooh, this feels so much better than those already. These are nice and firm versus a rubber holding your windshield on. And this is what you end up with. It's not going to be as flush as the rubber ones from Advanblack, but I like this setup better because I feel like this is going to hold the windshield in better than just those rubber grommets. That's why I ended up putting the washers on there. Oh yeah! Oh no, almost dropped the bike. That is perfect. Now this windshield also comes 1.5 inches wider than the other one. Oh, why does it hit on that one and not on this one? I might have to adjust. Maybe something's out of alignment here. I did mess around with my handlebars, but I definitely don't want to change it. But anyway, that's definitely a good height. That's like sitting right at my, I'm 5'10", 32-inch inseam. And I can clearly see over this windshield, it's sitting right at my chin level. Which is good because when I'm moto vlogging, these guys are hopefully going to be able to see through this windshield. Let me put the camera in the front. What do you guys think? Do I need to relocate my signals now? Alright, so here's another thing why I like this windshield a lot better than the other one. See how much longer this is right here? It looks good. The only gripe that I have with this so far is it's not a big issue, but because it is thicker, it does stick out a little bit more versus the other one. The other one kind of sat inside the groove. Can't have it all, I guess. But anyway, this is the Clearview windshield. It's a medium dark gray. If you want to see a test ride review on it, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I do plan on taking the bike out soon. This weekend, I hope. Weather permitting. It's supposed to be 60 degrees out Sunday and Saturday, but we got rain on Saturday and I work. I also Sunday they're talking about a 40% chance of rain, so there's a good chance I'm going to take this bike out on a ride. And as you can see, it definitely makes the front end of this bike a little big. It's a little on the bigger side. She's a big girl. I kind of like that windshield because it gave it a smaller, sleeker look. This one kind of makes it look a little bit bigger, which is a good thing, I guess, to block the wind. And the reason why I got this windshield was for that reason. I needed to block the wind. The wind noise that comes off of that little windshield, it was unbearable. But all in all, that's not a bad looking windshield. The size ain't too big and it's not too small. It does have the recurve also. I don't know if you can tell, it's got a little curve on there. If you're looking at a Clockworks windshield, I recommend looking at We Ride 1. We Ride also, let me look it up, his YouTube channel. I saw him install the Clockworks windshield. And I tried to order the Clockworks windshield. But for some reason, Clockworks wouldn't, something was going on with their website. It wasn't allowing it to ship to my state. So I emailed them, I talked to them, they said it was fixed, and I just got fed up with it. So I went with Clearview Windshield. They had a discount on this one because there's a slight blemish on it somewhere. From what I can tell, I don't see it anywhere. But when I pull the protective film, if I see it, I'll let you know. So I think I got $25 off of this windshield, or $40 or something of that nature. It wasn't nothing too extravagant. But again, don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Likes go a long way. And subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1,000. We need 100 more. Come on. We can do this. And subscribe to the channel for the update on that windshield. All my reviews that I do is to the best that I can, and I try to explain it the best that I can for you guys to understand it. So that's the way it goes, guys. Scooby says subscribe. You guys need to subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.